Hello, gentlemen, and welcome to another vlog. It's a gorgeous day here in New York City. It's a Thursday, Cybertruck, and it's literally gonna be hot as hell. It's gonna be probably one of the hotter days of the year so far. It's like 85 already at this early hour, and it's gonna be high of 90. Which probably means like 94 or something. Who knows? What are we doing, brother? This dude is friggin' smoking a cig. So yeah, it's a warm one. It's a warm day. And I've done a lot of riding in the last week or so. I went up to Poconos, good 500 miles. And going upstate tomorrow, which is sweet. The Catskills, the usual. And then the following weekend, I'm going up to Ohio, of all things, which is kind of sweet. Yeah, I told myself I'm not doing anything spicy, and here I am going spicy. Am I being spicy? I don't think I'm being too spicy, but I'm kind of being semi-spicy. How much mileage I have? I have 20 miles left on the tank before I run out, which is not ideal. So yeah, just going to work. I got a pretty big meeting at 10:30. I got to prep for about half hour before that meeting, plug in some numbers into a spreadsheet, get ready and whatnot. Then I gotta just do a bunch of usual stuff. Good day. And I'm getting ready to do the fork on my Monster 620, rebuilding that with my buddy Dionis. That's gonna be sick. So that baby is gonna be working a little bit better. Since we're not messing with the motor, we're gonna mess with the suspension. And then I'm also removing the emissions canister on this thing. I just bought like a little what do you call it, a module that you got to plug in so it doesn't throw codes. Seems like a pretty easy thing. Just got to remove the little canister and plug up two vacuum hole thingies, and that's it. And then tomorrow morning, before I go upstate, I got to adjust the chain. The chain stretched a little bit. I got to adjust it, straighten it, lube it, clean it. It's gonna be fun. Alright, that was unnecessary, but it happened, so it's too late to feel badly. Man, the quick shifter on this bike is just the way to go. Big fan. Yeah, I might have to change the sprockets. I messed up with the maintenance of my chain drive. I'm awful at it. I clean it, I do this and that, but something feels grody in there. Something feels a little crusty. Beautiful Dumbo. Kia school bus. That thing is adorable. Not too much traffic this morning. It's there, but it's gentle. It's kind of leaving me gaps, and the right lane is moving. Half my office is on summer vacation, so it's going to be really chill at the office after my 10:30 meeting. And then next week we got a company outing, which is going to be great. boat cruise around Statue of Liberty with the crew. But yeah, Ohio, my buddy just bought a house in Lake Erie, right on the lake in Timber Lake, Ohio. And he just bought a boat or a canoe, and he's got a side-by-side. So basically the idea is I'm gonna go there and we're gonna go pick up driftwood. He's gonna like work on it. That's exciting. Plus I'm just excited for the 500-mile ride. That's nice and far. I get to just tuck in and cruise, you know. I like a nice long ride where I don't have to worry. It's nice. You just freaking, I'm gonna leave at like 7 a.m. That guy's squitting but not splitting. Interesting. I don't think it's, I mean, I don't know. I think when you're on BQE you should rock a jacket. People are savages. I guess I just repaved this over here. We're almost there. Car break down or something? Maybe. Beautiful Brooklyn. We got the buildings, we got the bridges, we got the Manhattan Bridge over here that I'm passing under. And the next one is Brooklyn Bridge. Down under Manhattan Bridge overpass. That is Dumbo. Come on. You fucking savages. This is a turning lane. And by turning lane, I don't mean to the left. I mean to the right. Jeez. Oh, stop it. Stop it. You motherfuckers. Oh, brother. Now I'm gonna have to fucking wait. Is that what we're doing? Appreciate it, lady. Appreciate it. Freaking G-Class Central over here. G-Class and Cybertruck Central. Yo, what up, puppy dog? Look at this. We got beautiful Brooklyn Park. My boy filming some sort of things. Alright, let's find a good parking spot. Oh boy. I mean, this right here is not bad, I guess. We'll see what we got. How you doing, man? Parked here before. I mean, I guess I could be next to this thing, but nah, we're gonna go over here. It's a Thursday, so we can 100% park on this street right over here. We'll park next to this baby. It's not bad. How many miles we got? 21 miles. Yeah, after work I'm definitely gonna get some gas. Yeah, good. We're good. 16,693 miles. So by the time I'm back from Ohio, it's gonna be time for a major service. So we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. All right, boys and girls. And yeah, by the way, I'm rocking my Saint gloves this fine morning. That's right. All right, boys and girls, so we'll talk to you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.